In the morning we rise with the sun, ready for a day of learning and fun. With our friends, we laugh and play, making memories all through the day. Every day is a fun adventure, full of joy and full of cheer. We learn and grow together, in our hearts we hold so dear. We read our books and count to 10, discovering new things again